Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. I'm Rachna Prasad and today I will be doing a book review. Before getting into that, I would like to let you guys know that I have left 3 links in description through which you can help the people who were hurt or who are suffering in Lebanon because of the explosion that happened. Other 2 links are CM Relief Fund. You can donate through those links and it will help the people in Assam and Bihar who are suffering because of the flood. It has been weeks since the flood happened and people are really suffering. So if you can, please donate and help. I am praying for everyone who is suffering. I hope things get better for us and them. So now getting back to the book, we will be talking about the book Cujo by Stephen King. This book is about a dog who contracts rabies from a bat. So one day Cujo is chasing a rabbit and is bit by a bat. Bats are going crazy. Okay, never mind. So Cujo is a pet of Joe Campbell, who is the owner of auto shop and a mechanic. After he contracts the rabies, Cujo is left alone in the house. You guys will have to read the book to know what really happens. But I will give you a brief storyline here. So there are other characters in the book. 2 of them are Donna and her son Ted. I think who is 4 years old. I'm not really sure. No one is at home or at the auto shop. So Donna and Ted visits the auto shop and they are encountered by the dog Cujo, who has gone crazy till then, and they are trapped in the car. And after that the story begins. Now this was a really good read for me. I really enjoyed reading this. I heard that Stephen King was on drug binge when he was writing this book. So many people criticized the book negatively and they didn't really like it because of that. I mean, it's his personal life. I won't really dwell into that. So, and many people really liked the book and I'm one of them. So I really didn't find anything bad in this book other than the dog. That was the whole point anyway. The story not only revolves around the dog but there are other characters which is amazing. I mean, Stephen King has told you about every characters. You have insight lives of every characters, but it's not too much or too little. He has given you enough, like okay, there is Donna. She has been going through some problems. You will know when you what those problems are when you read this book. But I think character development was amazing in this book, and I really liked how he introduced the characters and their stories. So when Donna and Ted encounter the rabbit dog Cujo, things really get thrilling and scary from there, and it will really give you goosebumps at some points. So this book gives you right amount of chills, creeps, and a couple of gasps and a lot of misery, and the ending will leave you tormented, you guys, trust me. And you know, not to sound heartless, but I really liked the book because of the ending, because I really because it was something that I didn't expect it, and it left me shook. I really like that in books, when books give you something that you didn't expect. I mean, I think that's the best thing about books that I really like. So I have rated this book for 5 out of 5 stars, and I don't really see any reason why should I not. I think everyone should read this book, but if you're someone who loves dogs and has a weak heart, you probably shouldn't go for this, because it will leave you shattered. And the people who really love books that makes you miserable, or leaves you shook, definitely go for this one. And if you guys want to read Stephen King more, so maybe you should start with this book, because it's an easy one to start. I really enjoyed reading this book and it was a really good read.